Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And David.
And David. Today, Babe isn't here, but we have something very, very special for you. So, have you ever been to a Benihana, one of those Japanese-style hibachi restaurants? They have the big flat griddle in front of them. They're cooking up fried rice, scallops, shrimp, steak, vegetables, mushrooms, all that good stuff. So today, what we're gonna do is we're going to recreate that and show you that on the 22-inch Blackstone cast iron style griddle out here in the backyard that we're gonna cook Benihana style, and we're gonna show you exactly what we're doing. All right, so before my buddy comes over, a couple of New Yorks, got the shrimps laid out, of course butter, eggs, we got our rice. You can't make fried rice unless it's cold. That's how it works. So I made this, that's some Calros. I minced up, let me see in here, this is a refrigerator tour, minced up some garlic. That's gonna be, we're gonna do some onions, white onions, carrots, some green onions, stuff like that. We're gonna put all that in our fried rice. And then, of course, some sesame oil, and of course soy sauce. All right, I do gotta give a big shout out to this company right here. TUO Cutlery, 2O Cutlery, look at this thing. So Babe and I entered an Instagram contest. Let's put up their Instagram on the screen. Check this out. Just got this in the mail literally like 20 minutes ago. Chef's knife, ba-bam. What does it say on here? Their name, German steel, chef, 8-inch. Check that out. Like a nice solid handle, good weight. That's awesome. We're gonna be using this brand new knife in our cook today. So anyways, shout out to that company. Thank you guys so much. Literally, we entered an Instagram contest and they chose us. So give them a follow on Instagram, check out their products. I don't know how it works yet because literally I got it 20 minutes ago, but it certainly seems very nice. And their customer service has been fantastic thus far. So if you're new to our channel and you've never seen us before, we're basically a foodie, vlog, food, restaurant, life, awesomeness type of couples channel. We do a bunch of cooking stuff. We may not be the best home chefs in the world, but at least we'll give you some ideas and some motivation to get in the kitchen. And we have some fun and a little bit of comedy, and who doesn't like comedy? So today, we have a brand new, this is our first cook on the Blackstone. So I wanna take you guys out in the backyard. I want to show you the setup. I want to show you what type of ingredients we're using, and we're gonna have a buddy over, got the little guy here, and we're gonna do a bunch of fun stuff. So take it for what it's worth. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment below, smash like, and without further ado, here we go.
So this is our backyard. So here's all of our plants, sitting zone, table.
Sitting zone.
Yep, and this is our new table, Weber kettle, and our new Blackstone.
Ooh. So I do have to give a huge shout out to Adam at Wooden Canvas. Check this table out that he made. This is a custom made table just for us. Yeah, check it out, check it out. Here we go, 22-inch tabletop Blackstone. All seasoned up, ready for its first cook. Couple New York strips, the shrimp, butter, sesame oil, garlic. That's gonna be our green onion, carrot, onion, celery mixture, a little bit of zucchini, squash, a little bit of herbs. Obviously we got our cold rice, our oil, our soy sauce. All right, let's light it up. I would say that we're gonna probably set it at, what, medium heat? Oh look, you can see my reflection. There you go. So, it's real good. Thank you, Adam, for the table again. Between the Blackstone and the working area here, that works out perfectly. Once that gets hot, we'll put down a little bit of oil. We'll start frying up this rice. Oh, we gotta go inside and get some eggs. Probably 3 eggs. All right, a little bit of oil. That's 4 cups of rice. Butter. Butter, butter. All right, a little tiny bit of sesame oil. All right, green onions, peppers, onions, minced fresh garlic. And you know we love our garlic, so put some of that in there. I'm gonna gonna take these vegetables, this garlic, this rice, put this all together. And then we're gonna add our egg. It's almost done. Gotta add the soy sauce. I added some salt and pepper. Now we're gonna put it in this bowl. If I don't put half of it on the ground. And we'll get our griddle ready for the steak and shrimp, vegetables. All right, so I just scraped it using that scraper. Okay, you can see the griddle's clean. I brought this little thing right here. This I can keep my little trash, my eggshells, different things like that in there so that I can keep my work area nice and clean. And I think we're gonna throw in some vegetables and some shrimp next. In the meanwhile, let's hit this with some salt and pepper. Maybe just a drizzle of sesame oil. A couple flakes of garlic. Vegetables. All right, fun fact, between the seasoning today, which only took like 20 something minutes, and that short amount of cooking, the gas is already out. So thank goodness I have a second can of gas. Definitely going to invest in the tube that goes down to the 5-gallon propane tank. Check this out. Like this one's done. Iced over, done. So got to get the second one on there. My buddy just got here, and let me tell you, the entire neighborhood smells delicious. And we haven't even started the steak yet. Quick flyover, garlic, shrimp, butter, salt, pepper, soy sauce, fresh minced garlic, roasted vegetables. All right, folks, I'm sorry that the lighting is bad, but we're almost done. Last part, oil on, New York strips. We do these like a medium rare. Of course, salt. Pepper, just for that Asian flair, a drip of sesame oil. What do you think about the Blackstone?
It's really good.
Tell me how the neighborhood smelled when you went outside.
It smelled like quiche.
It smelled like we're at a restaurant?
And we have some visitors here.
We have some visitors here?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh!
All right. There we go, the New York strips. Oh, those are done. And that's how fast New York strips cook. Outstanding. Let's get a taste review. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. What do you think?
That is good.
That is good. What's your favorite part? Steak, shrimp, vegetables, or rice?
The shrimp.
The shrimp. Shrimp is good. Tell me it's terrible. And unsubscribe to this channel. And what on earth are you doing?
Yeah, run.
Run
while you can.
Run while you can.
Terrible.
Remember when you came over here for the fish and chips in the air fryer? It's almost on that level. Yes. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you're a real stallion. A stallion. Right? No?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
I just finished seconds. Now I want thirds.
Really?
Yeah.
How many shrimp have you had?
Like 21.
21 shrimp?
Yep.
And you've had your steak and half of my steak. And how much do you weigh?
85 pounds.
And like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hit that bell symbol down below.